Hey and welcome. This is an update video about social trading where we are copying other successful traders to make passive income with pocket option. And you can too. You find the link below the video if you want to get started today doing what I'm doing. So let's take a look now over the people we are copying and if we made some money. So let's see. Uh, Today looks like we are just with two people. Let's say close it first. And there are a person here that are doing amazingly trading. It's crazy good trading. Let's go over to social trading. Let's go for the list. So this one we were copying. Let's see what's going on. We did copy him. Let's see for today. Copy statistic. We made profit with him today. We made $60. And we yesterday did not take any copies, but we made $60 with him today. For some reason he did turn it off, so I think we just keep it off for now. Let's check. This is our champion. He's the best one. Copy trading. We have made $241 profit from him today. Yesterday we made the same actually. So he have done the same success today like he did yesterday. Super good. So, and he is constant. He do just a few trades a day. So if you just want to copy one person, this is the one you should copy. You can see the ED and everything up there. So this is the one you should go for. Then another one that is doing good is this trader here. We made $76 from him today. Yesterday, her actually. Yesterday we made $300 from this person. So this is also a person that we are very successful copying. So already we have managed to find two people that is printing us money. So basically today, if we then take a fast calculation, we made 61. We run up and down after what we can see. 241 plus 241, and lastly 76 here plus 76. So we made a profit of 378 only for today. So we are making very good profit from copy trading. I will be looking for more people to copy because we are just copying two people. We should see if we can find one more. And what I'm looking for here now, we are looking for, if we see something like 50%, we can just skip it. But here we see 80, 70, I get more interested. So let's check this one here. 5 trades, I like he take a few trades. So let's go here. Let's check how he did yesterday. He did few trades and he had this is a decent win rate. Let's check all time. 150 and 11,000 profit. This looks to be a good one. So let's add him into the list. But let's see. Max trade is 1,700. So let's check yesterday. Let's check today. Okay. I think here I would like to take 20% to start with. So let's push copy. Let's do 20% of the trades you do. Let's put a stop balance at 53,000. Mean trading can be 1. Max copy trade. I think we can leave it the way it is. And let's push confirm, and now we are copying this person also. So now if you go over here, you can see we are now copying 3 people. So that's it. Let's follow and see for tomorrow. If you want to do what I'm doing, this is the 2 that are doing very good for me. So this is 2 people you should copy also if you want to get started. So use the link below if you deposit more than $100, you get 50% extra by using my link. So that, have an amazing day, and let's follow tomorrow, and let's hope you're making some more profit.